Would you like to go looking for Dracula?
Yes.
Now to go looking for Dracula, we must go in disguise. You need first a black cape. Put on your black capes.
Yep, my black cape is right here.
And in your pockets you have some fangs from Halloween. Put in your bag.
Yeah.
Adorable fangs! And you also need binoculars so you can see.
I've got it right here.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Looking for Dracula.
Looking for Dracula.
But I'm not afraid.
But I'm not afraid.
I've got binoculars.
I got binoculars.
I've got my cape and my fangs.
I've got my cape and my fangs.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What do I see?
What do I see?
A spooky swamp.
A spooky swamp.
Can't jump over it.
Can't jump over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around
You
it.
have to put on the big rubber boots and go in it. Are you ready?
Okay, here we go.
Into the mud. Here we go. Let's keep going. Looking for Dracula.
Looking for Dracula.
But I'm not afraid.
But I'm not afraid.
I've got binoculars.
I got
I've
binoculars.
got my cape and my fangs.
I got my cape and my fangs.
Oh,
Uh-oh. What do I see?
huge lake.
A huge lake.
Can't jump over it.
Can't jump over it.
Can't go in under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
All right, into the boat we've got to row. Here we go.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Ha ha, fooled you. I'm a submarine.
Looking for Dracula.
Looking for Dracula.
I'm not afraid.
But I'm not afraid.
Binoculars.
I've got
I've
binoculars.
got my cape and my bag.
I've got my cape and my fangs. Uh-oh. What do I see?
A haunted house.
A haunted house.
Can't jump over it.
Can't jump over it.
Can't digging under it.
Can't dig under it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
All right, we're going in. Open the door. Here comes the back way. Let's sneak in. Looking for Dracula.
Looking for Dracula.
But I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid. I got binoculars. I got my cape and my fangs.
Oh, what do I see?
Uh-oh.
A great
I see it.
with a great big body. With a
Body.
great big head.
The great big head.
And great big
Hands.
fangs.
Oh my God. Open the door. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Ha ha, fooled you. I'm a submarine. Let's get going.
And you will not get on your boots. Run home. Shut the door. Lock it. And close the blinds. Oh, did you see? Oh, fangs.
I think Dracula should see his dentist.
Ah!